has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Shelby County, Miami County, southern Logan County, northern Clark County, Champaign County, until 11 p.m. At 10:09 p.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from Port Jefferson to West Milton, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Storm hazards include damaging winds to 70 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Troy, Tip City, Saint, Paris, New Carlisle, Bellefontaine, West Liberty, Urbana, Springfield, Mechanicsburg. In addition, Maplewood, Platteville, Pemberton, Fletcher, Ballou, Quincy, Ginghamsburg, and Cusstown are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 between mile markers 61 and 69, Interstate 75 between mile markers 66 and 98. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.